Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Now, before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Melvin Kusbayan Madika, or you can call me Melvin. I'm from BSI Kramat 98. Now, on this video, I would like to give you guys an explanations about a computer and inside of a computer. Now, let's move on to the video. Okay, first, what is computer? As you can see, there are several uses of a computer. First, to receive a data. Second, to process an information. Third, to store data. And fourth, to produce an output. And its facts, computers help people work faster and more efficiently. And there are some examples of a computer such as laptop, desktop PC, tablet, and a smartphone. And next is the benefits of a computer. A computer is a machine that helps people do many tasks more easily and quickly. With a computer, people can work faster. With a computer, people can store important information. With a computer, people can solve problems. Computer is very useful in everyday life. They are used in schools for learning. They are used in hospitals for medical services. They are used in office for works. They are used in homes for entertainment or maybe for communications. And on this next slide, I will explain the types of computers. A computer comes in different form depending on their usage and function. First, there is the desktop computer. A desktop computer is usually used in one fixed place, such as an office, school, or home. And second, there is laptop. A laptop is a portable computer that can carry it easily and used for daily activities like studying, like working, and for browsing on the internet. And third, there is a tablet. A tablet is a touchscreen computer that is simple and easy to use for entertainment, learning, and communication. Lastly, there is a supercomputer. A supercomputer is a very powerful computer used for complex tasks such as scientific research, weather forecasting, and space explorations. This next slide is about the hardware inside a computer. A computer has several important hardware components that work together to make the computer functions properly. First is the motherboard. The motherboard function is to connect all computer components together. And the second is the CPU or Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer that processes data and instructions. Third, RAM or Random Access Memory. It stores temporary data while programming. Lastly, the storage device such as HDD or SSD. It stores files and data permanently. Next is about the motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board inside a computer. It connects all hardware components and allows them to work together. Its functions are: connects our hardware components, enables communication between parts, distributes power to components. Without the motherboard, the computer cannot function properly. And next, CPU and RAM. The CPU or a Central Processing Unit is the brain of the computer that processes the data and instructions. RAM or Random Access Memory is temporary memory used while programs are running. It stores temporary data for active programs so the computer can work faster. And next is storage device. Storage device store data, files, and programs permanently, even when the computer is turned off. There are two main types, HDD and SSD. HDD has larger capacity but is slower, while SSD is much faster and more efficient. Their functions are to store the operating systems, files, and applications, and to keep data permanently without power. As you can see, this is the conclusion of my explanations. I hope you guys understand what I explained to you guys. If there's any questions, you can ask in comment sections below. So, thank you. I hope you guys understand. Bye-bye.